Ben is an entrepreneur who owns a media business, and he's planning to expand his network. Ben has recently been using Salesforce, which makes it possible for his brand to stay in the spotlight, increase sales, and remain closely connected to customers and coworkers at the same time. With Salesforce, Ben noticed a rapid growth in his business. Salesforce helped him achieve an average ROI of 45% within no time. Because of the increase in workload, Ben's file storage is also increasing, and so is the Salesforce usage cost. He needs to find a way to solve this matter without affecting his business growth. Ben loves his CRM. He doesn't want to move to another platform. Ben is already spending a lot to avail the Salesforce services, and now this extra storage cost just adds to the cost of using Salesforce. What could possibly save him from paying those extra dollars? Ben looks for a solution at Salesforce AppExchange, and that's where X-Files come in to save the day. X-Files gave Ben the space to manage huge documents, presentations, videos, audio files for his business externally. X-Files supports public storages like Amazon, Dropbox, Box.net, private storages like Alfresco, Documentum, and also any of customers' private content management system. And to add to it, a wide range of features, including auto export and multiple file upload. Amazingly, the Salesforce file storage is not getting filled up because X-Files saves the files externally. X-Files is a simple and smart way to manage your documents effectively without having to worry about the storage limit. X-Files helped Ben to reduce extra storage cost up to 52% in its first year. And it can further help Ben reduce storage costs up to 80%. Ben can now upload as many files as he wants without worrying about the cost upload limit or the file size limits. Visit Salesforce AppExchange to download X-Files today.